Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Moharem Ghosh, and I'm back today with another very inspirational video. The inspirational woman who I'm talking to you about today is J.K. Rowling, an author, philanthropist, producer of movies and TV series, and a screenwriter. But before we go on to our video, and talking about her, let me share a brief with you about our channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I started the channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant in May 2020 in view of the ongoing pandemic. Our mission was to inspire the present and coming generations to live by the eternal human principles such as respect, diversity, kindness, integrity, honesty. Towards this, we share with you stories of mankind at its very best on your very own YouTube channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. And we have also created a group on Facebook and WhatsApp, respectively, which have 845 members and 210 members, where we share with them daily inspiration. I request all those of you who are coming on to the first time to my channel or have not yet subscribed to the channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant to kindly subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they too are inspired to live by these eternal human principles. Coming back to our inspirational lady, Joanne Rowling, or also known as J.K. Rowling. She is an author, producer of movies, TV series, a screenwriter, a philanthropist. She is best known for her series Harry Potter. She has won multiple awards and sold over 500 million copies of Harry Potter series. She also writes crime fiction under the pen name Robert Galbraith. Born in Gloucester, England on 31st July 1965, she had a pretty tough childhood because her mother suffered from multiple sclerosis and died due to the same. She later worked as a researcher and bilingual secretary at the Amnesty International. In 1990, she conceived the idea of the Harry Potter series when a delayed train from Manchester to London delayed her at the station. The following 7 years, in her attempt to get the Harry Potter series published and launched, she faced the death of her mother, the divorce from her first husband. She had her first child and lived in relative poverty till 1997 when Harry Potter was published. She is a rags to riches story. She is the world's first billionaire author as per Forbes. Her UK sales of 238 million plus make her the best selling living author in UK. She is also considered to be the most influential woman in Britain, even more than the Queen of Britain. She has funded multiple charities, one parent families, multiple sclerosis society, her own charity Lumas, and she speaks out for civil rights and transgender rights. Friends, J.K. Rowling is a totally inspirational lady whose work is influencing millions across the globe, and her charities are making a difference to millions of people across the globe. While not all of us can aspire to be like J.K. Rowling or cannot have her level of influence and capability to make changes in people's lives, I believe in this second phase of COVID-19 virus, where the COVID-19 virus is ravaging mankind. Millions have lost their jobs and millions more have lost their livelihoods. It is time for all of us to stand up and make a difference. Please check out your neighborhood. people who have suffered either medically or economically because of this infamous COVID 19 virus, go ahead, make a difference to one person. Your single act of kindness will go a long way in mankind defeating the infamous COVID 19 virus. But it's also equally important that you follow all precautions. Wear a mask always, sanitize your hands, ensure your unsanitized hands do not touch the triangle of life, that is the eyes, nose, and mouth. Maintain social distancing of 6 feet always. Go out only when necessary and stay away from crowded places. Friends, I once again repeat, for all those of you who have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends and family so that they too are inspired to live by the eternal human principles. Till we meet again with another awe-inspiring video on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Good luck, all the best, stay safe.